Welcome to our CUCKOO Rice Cooker Showdown. Today, we are comparing two fantastic rice cookers from CUCKOO, one in a sleek white finish and the other in a sophisticated gray. Both models are designed to make cooking rice a breeze with their modern, fuzzy logic technology. We'll dive into their features, performance, and design to see which one stands out for your culinary needs. Let's get started. Both the white and gray CUCKOO rice cookers are priced at $109 United States dollars, making them equally accessible for anyone looking to invest in a quality rice cooker. This price point reflects the advanced features and technology that CUCKOO offers, ensuring you get great value for your money. The white CUCKOO rice cooker boasts a clean and minimalist aesthetic, perfect for modern kitchens. In contrast, the gray model offers a contemporary look that adds a touch of sophistication. Both designs are compact and user-friendly, making them ideal for any countertop. Both rice cookers feature modern fuzzy logic technology, allowing for precise cooking and perfect rice every time. They come equipped with a delay timer and a keep warm setting, ensuring your rice is ready when you are. This versatility makes them excellent choices for busy households. In conclusion, both the white and gray CUCKOO rice cookers offer exceptional features and performance for the price. Whether you prefer the sleek look of the white model or the contemporary style of the gray one, you can't go wrong with either choice. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.